Choosing the right final year cybersecurity program can be tough. Maybe you're stuck not knowing what to pick, or you want something that will really show off your skills. You want a project that's both exciting and useful, right? Don't worry, we got you covered. Keep watching, because by the end of this video, you're gonna have 5 amazing project ideas to choose from, all right? So first, how about creating a network security analyzer? You'll dive deep into detecting vulnerabilities in a network, which is super important for any organization. The second, consider building a password cracking tool to test password strength. This is something businesses always need to stay on top of. You could also design a phishing detection system to stop fake emails from tricking people. Another great project is creating a firewall application to block unauthorized access. Lastly, how about designing a cyber attack simulator? It's perfect for practicing your defense strategies, all right? So these projects are perfect for gaining hands-on experience and boosting your resume. So don't forget to like, subscribe. See you soon. Love you. Ciao.